On the second handout on the left-hand side, we're going to run through some of these problems just to further solidify what we're talking about with our trig. None of this should really be new. It should all be a review, but just to give you a refresher on what we're working with. For number one, we're calculating the value of x to the nearest tenth. So with this, we're just going to solve for x. To do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by 80, and x is equal to 80 times the sine of 38. So we have 80 times the sine of 38. And this is going to give me approximately 49.3. And number three, you're calculating z, so you do the exact same thing. So z is going to be equal to 34.627 times the tangent of 24. So we have z is approximately equal to 15.4. And number five, we're determining the length of side y to the nearest hundredth. So my side y is going to be the opposite side to my angle, and 83 is my hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, we're going to use sine. So we have the sine of 51 is equal to y over 83. And to solve for y, we have y is equal to 83 times the sine of 51. The nearest hundredth means 2 decimal places, so I have 83 times the sine of 51. And this is going to give me y is approximately equal to 64.50 centimeters, not to lose my units along the way. On the left-hand side, for number 7, we are determining the length of side W to the nearest inch. So again, we have here's our angle, and we have the opposite, or looking for the opposite side, and we're given the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent, we're going to use tangent. So this is the tangent of 20 is equal to W over 83. So W is equal to 83 times the tangent of 20. And W to the nearest inch is approximately equal to 30 inches. And for number 9, it's just an analysis type problem. It says, for the triangle pictured, Marcy placed her finger on the angle 38 and concluded that the sine of 38 is equal to x over 80. Timmy placed his finger on the 52-degree angle and concluded that the cosine of 52 is equal to x over 80. If you solve it Marcy's way, what answer will she get? Well, if you have the sine of 38 is equal to x over 80, then x is going to be equal to 80 times the sine of 38. So this is approximately 49.25. Now, if you solve it Timmy's way, you should get the same answer. So we're going to have x is equal to 80 times the cosine of 52, which is approximately equal to 49.25. And then the last question says, are these results reasonable? Well, yes, they're reasonable, because if it shouldn't matter which angle we use, as long as we're using the corresponding trig function to that angle and the side lengths that we're looking for, we should get the same answer.